I hope you enjoyed part 1, thanks for watching, here is part 2, please enjoy. 15 excellent health benefits of dried mangoes. Part 2 of 3. The mango is native to South Asia and in particular well loved in India. It has a lovely yellow fruit, just enjoy the soft fruit eaten as a snack, or alternatively, it is used in various cuisines, to bring out the sweet and sour taste of food. It is the national fruit of India, and it is there that a majority of mangoes are mainly found. 6. Weight loss. To say that mangoes are fattening, is a complete myth. The fibrous component found in dried mangoes, makes it ideal for helping weight loss and losing those excess calories. Just having 0.6 calories per gram, and yet still making you feel full. Mangoes when used as part of a proper diet, can help you lose weight. Eat a mango 30 minutes before exercise, as the sugar rush gives you energy. 7. Fights heart disease. Due to the presence of selenium, a very important nutrient, that fights heart disease, the presence of vitamins C, A, E and K, which also help to boost immunity. Dried mangoes are a great way to help fight heart-related ailments and assist in the maintenance of a healthy heart. Additional benefits, from the magnesium and potassium, is to maintain a healthy pulse, allow your blood vessels to relax and lower blood pressure. 8. Promote healthy skin. An excellent source of vitamin C can be found in dried mango, which can be especially beneficial for your skin. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties that help to prevent damage to a range of skin-related diseases and keep it rejuvenated and healthy. 9. Reducing the risk of diabetes. Mangoes, although high in sugar and antioxidants, have a very high fiber content, therefore these minimize the effect of blood sugars. Dried mangoes are one of those fruits that taste sweet, but doesn't threaten your blood sugar levels, provided that you don't consume too many at one time. To make it even better, they also act as a stomach tonic. 10. Sexual health in men. Dried mangoes are known to improve manhood and aphrodisiac qualities in men. They improve men's sexual desire and stamina. They also replenish sex hormones. If you enjoyed part 2, the final part will be coming very shortly.